Dear students, we are talking about the 8085 microprocessor instruction set. तो इसके पहले हमने डेटा ट्रांसफ़र इंस्ट्रक्शन एंड some arithmetical instructions we have seen. Now today we are going to discuss two important arithmetical group instructions. One is the DAD-RP, that is direct add register pair. What will happen in this? HL register pair is used to point out the memory location. So HL register pair contains will point out to a memory location. Those contents will be added to register pair represented in the instruction, and the result will be stored into the HL register pair's location. So contents of register pair are added to the HL register pair contents. ठीक है, therefore and only the carry flag is affected, either set or reset. Another important instruction is the DAA. This is very important instruction. This instruction you have to perform whenever you will perform BCD addition. Then DAA means decimal adjust accumulator. Whenever the 8-bit number in the accumulator is adjusted from the 4-bit binary coded decimal digits, then what will happen if the summation, if the number is greater than 9 or less than 15, less than equal to 15, then this instruction must be performed. It means whenever the number is greater than 9 and less than 16, then microprocessor will add 6 to the accumulator contents. So the value of the 4 MSB of the accumulator is now greater than 9, or if the carry flag is set, 6 is added to the MSB of the accumulator. In this way, this is done by microprocessor because there are two types of BCDs, packed and unpacked BCDs. So to convert the unpacked BCD into packed BCD, this instruction has to perform, otherwise the result will be incorrect. Now the next type of instruction is the logical group of instructions. Logical group of instructions will perform mostly all the logical operation. First instruction is ANA. ANA means ANDing with register, ending of register contains and accumulator, and the result will be stored in the accumulator. So bit by bit the ANDing will occur. Next instruction is AND memory. Memory contained by HL register pair pointer will be ANDed, logically ANDed with the accumulator contents, and the flags affected will be, all the flags will be affected. Carry flag is cleared and auxiliary carry is set. If the carry flag is cleared and AC is set, then ORing of 3 bits of the operand. Now the next instruction is ANI data, that is and immediate. Whatever data has been specified in the instruction, that data will be logically ANDed with the accumulator contents. Then XRA, this is exclusive OR register. Exclusive ORing of the register contents will be carried out with the contents of accumulator, and the result will be stored in the accumulator. Then next instruction is XRAM. The memory contents pointed by HL register pair will be ANDed with accumulator, and the result is stored in accumulator. XRI data, exclusive or immediate data. Data specified will be ANDed with accumulator contents, and result will be stored in accumulator. ORAR, that means register contents represented by R register will be logically ORed with the contents of accumulator, and result is stored in accumulator. The next instruction is ORAM. The memory contents pointed by HL register pair will be ANDed or logically, and result is stored in the accumulator. ORI or immediate, whatever data in the instruction is specified will be logically ORed with the accumulator contents, and the result will be shown by the accumulator. Then CMP, this CMP instruction is very important. Whenever you will perform you have to check the equivalence of numbers, then this instruction is performed. Compare register. The content of register will be subtracted from the accumulator, and the flags which have been set or reset, that will be observed. If zero flag is set to 1, when contents of accumulator are equal to contents of register R, the carry flag is set to 1 if accumulator contents are less than contents of R. Otherwise, carry flag will be reset to 0. Then next instruction is CMP memory. Compare memory. HL register points to a memory location where the contents will be compared with the contents of accumulator in the same manner that we have seen just before this instruction, CMPR. Similarly, CPI data, the comparison between accumulator content and data byte will be done here. Then RLC, these are rotate instructions, RLC, RRC, so rotate left. So whatever accumulator contents are there, their rotation will be from right to left. Rotate left, one left position. It will rotate the accumulator content with 1 bit position. Only the carry flag will be affected here because the shifting. Rotate RRC, rotate right. It means the accumulator contents will be rotated towards 1 bit right. Only carry flag will be affected. RAL, rotate left through carry. Now accumulator contents will along with the carry flag will be rotated left, and RAR, rotate right through carry. Accumulator contents along with carry will be rotated towards right, means A0 bit will be stored into the carry, and then further on rotation will be there, and carry will be stored into A7. Next instruction is CMA, complement accumulator. Complement means making 0 bit to 1 and 1 bit to 0. So whatever accumulator contents are there, it will be complemented. CMC, complement carry. Carry flag is 1, then it will become 0. If it was 0, it will become 1. STC, set carry. Carry flag will be whatever previous value may be there, it will be set to 1.